The committee noted that the increase in the reserve money by 80% during the first 8 months of 2019 when compared to the December 2018 position caused instability in the exchange rate and resulted in the increase of domestic prices of goods and services. In this regard, the committee agreed to implement measures to ensure that money supply growth is contained within the levels that will ensure exchange rate stability and inflation reduction. In particular, the committee noted and agreed that with satisfaction, the decrease in reserve money by 10 percentage points in September 2019. Notwithstanding the projected contraction in gross domestic product (GDP) growth by around 6.5 in 2019 on account of the twin climate shocks of the drought and cyclone Idai, the foreign exchange generation capacity of this economy is still sufficient to support a stable exchange rate. This is also reflected in the projected narrowing of the current account deficit to 1.5% by end of the year. And if sustained, this positive trend for the development position will definitely make sure that the economy remains on a good trajectory. The committee also noted that the country's potential growth rate is still strong and needs to be buttressed by appropriate structural policies to ensure sustainable growth within the country. On inflation, which is the elephant in the room in Zimbabwe, the committee noted with the concern the continued inflation pressures in the economy. However, these are projected to recede in the outlook period as attested by the recent decline in monthly inflation from 32.29% in June 2019 to 18.07% in August.